The net present value NPV is a profitability measure we use to figure out the present value of all expected future cash flows a project or investment will generate, including the initial capital we invest. It shows us the difference between the current value of cash inflows and outflows over a period. The proposed NPV in SAMs. First is to determine how much investment, project or any series of cash flows is worth. The NPV analysis used to calculate the monetary value of sustainable energy management system. Second, the timing of its cash flow will affect the present value of an investment, which is it is good to get cash inflows earlier and cash outflow later compared to opposite.
So here the example of the net present value. There is option A and option B for the investment, which is the option A allow you to invest in a shoes manufacturing company that would generate 5,000 annually over the next 5 years. So the 5,000 annually here means the cash flow of the investment in the shoes manufacturing. Then the option B allow you to invest in a grocery store that would generate 3,000 for the first 3 years and then 8,000 for the last 2 years. So for the cash flow here we have two, which is 3,000 at the first 3 years and then 8,000 for the last 2 years. So if we calculate, if you do calculation, both eventually will generate to 25,000 over 5 years. However, based on the net present value on these two investment options, one option is financially more attractive than the others. Assuming both opportunities are equally risk and have a discount rate of 10%. So here's the formula of the net present value, which is the cash flow divided by 1 plus discount rate to the power of a period of time. So there is option A and option B here in the table, and then the first year until the fifth year. As you can see here, the option A we have 5,545 to until the last year, which is 3,000 and 3,105. So by using the formula of net present value, you can calculate the net present value by each year. So for the total net present value for the option A is 18,954, and for the option B we have 17,892. Both option A and option B I use the same formula to calculate the net present value. But for the option B, we can see here for the first and the second year, the cash flow invest is 3,000, and the rest 3 years is and the rest 2 years else the cash flow will going increase to 8,000 per year. As you can see, even though both investment option would generate 25,000 after 5 years, but then the option A result is a higher net present value. Then in this example, this is largely due to the fact that you earn higher amount of cash earlier. So based on the what we learned, the higher the net present value, the better the efficient project.